Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you ways that you can fix magnetic snap in your purse. The first one is the one you're looking at. You're going to be stitching the place that I'm touching now. And you see the back. It's free, nothing is showing at the back. Number 2 way of fixing magnetic snap in your purse is this. You get the midpoint and fix the snap at the midpoint. And you can also stitch around the flap. Stitch around the flap. Thanks guys for watching, and I'm sure you subscribe to my channel, share and like my videos. Thank you so much.